Hi, this is Janine Happy from Two Old Crows, and this is part 3 of our needle felted ram with bird hanging pocket. I wanted to let you know that the time that was involved in actually needle felting the base with the core roving only took a few minutes. It's very fast, as does the needle felting the curls in there. It only took a few minutes. And I wanted to let you know that the thickness of this should be about maybe 1/4 of an inch tops for the core roving, and with the curls, since they are long and puffy, maybe up to 3/4 of an inch. But you can decide that yourself. You can make it sort of three-dimensional looking by building it up if you like, or more than likely most people are going to do it a little bit higher than your actual wool stitches are. So if you can see that mine are just a little bit higher, but with the roving part of it itself, they're about even with my hook stitches. So now I am going to take my piece and move it up a little, because I'm going to work on these legs. And again, if your roving adheres to your foam, just lift it gently and move it. This is the black roving, and I only need a little bit for this, so I'm going to peel off just a little bit and put it where the legs are. If you have hooked your piece already, your little tiny legs could get very skinny, the space for it, and you can just separate it a little bit and then push the roving in there. And if you feel that you still need wider legs, again, you can needle felt right onto your wool stitches. So other leg. Again, I think the biggest mistake that most people use is that they use too much roving. So you can always add more. Just little bits at a time is all you need. And this is needle felted right into the linen. Okay, so there are my 2 legs. I'm going to move my piece again and work on this ram's head. I'm going to take my brownish gray roving and just put it right over where his head would be. It's trying to stay in the lines. I kind of know where his nose and mouth lines are. You will get a picture with your kit, so you could also sort of get an idea. So you're just needle felting this right in. Very easy.
It does go fast, Janine.
It is very, very quick. Again, this is one of our easiest pockets to needle felt. Peeling apart little bits at a time and just building it up. All right. Now I'm going to take a little bit more black roving. Just little wisps is all that I need. So maybe that much. So I can put a line in for his nose. And this is where my single needle will come in. So I'm just going to add this little line here. Give him a nose indentation. If you want to make his nose a different color,